So my people, this is now the marfuf. It's cooking. As you can see, it's boiling. It's boiling. This is how the marfuf is. Yeah, you can see. So we will wait until it cooks very well. And this is the ribs. Okay, so we will wait until it's done. So my people, this is our end product. This is our end product. I hope you will enjoy. Yeah, you can just hold like this. Yeah, okay, this is the rib. Okay, yeah, so enjoy yourselves and welcome other people. I hope you learned something about the marfuf. So guys, this is the outcome. Yes, we have marfuf, we have ribs. Okay, and then you use the lemon. You can sprinkle the lemon as you eat. It gives a nice taste, and you can eat with or without. Otherwise, this is how we eat. We do like this, you eat. It's called marfuf, stuffed marfuf. So welcome guys, I love you so much. Take care. Remain Cweitv. If you are a new friend here, please subscribe and put on the notification bell. God bless you so much.